I am Osima Biswal. Today I will discuss meaning of monopoly and features of monopoly. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Economic Tech. First I will discuss what do we mean by monopoly. Monopoly is said to exist when one firm is the sole producer or seller of a product which has no close substitutes. Okay, monopoly is said to exist when one firm is the sole producer or seller of a product which has no close substitutes. Indian Railway is the best example of monopoly. We can book our ticket at any railway station at the same price. Although the ticket can be booked through their authorized agents, but can be procured at any lesser price anywhere. The word monopoly has been derived from two words, mono meaning single and poly meaning control. Mono meaning single and poly meaning control. So monopoly means single hand control. So monopoly means single hand control. Therefore, it is a situation in the market where there is a single seller of a product. There is single seller of a product. A single firm controls the production of a commodity. A single firm controls the production of a commodity. Monopoly is a market situation in which there is only one producer of a commodity with no close substitutes. Okay. In monopoly, there is no difference between firm and industry. Monopoly firm in itself and industry. Monopoly firm is in itself an industry. Under monopoly, the firm is a price maker. Under monopoly, the firm is a price maker because it can fix the price for the product. It has free control over the supply of the product. Okay. Even full control of highest degree of a monopoly does not mean that in monopoly the seller can sell any bigger quantity of that commodity at the same price. There is a single producer or seller of a product. Okay, there are three conditions are necessary. There is a single producer or seller of a product. There are no close substitutes for the product. Strong barriers to entry into the industry exist. So these are the three conditions of monopoly. Then I will discuss features of monopoly. Features of monopoly. One seller and large number of buyers. There is only one producer and large number of buyers in monopoly. Producer may be single or partnership or a company. Producer may be a single or partnership or a company, but a single firm has full control over price. But a single firm has full control over price. Whatever the number of customers is, it cannot affect the price. 2. Restriction on the entry of new firm. Restriction on the entry of new firms. Okay. No firm can enter railway business as yet. There are legal restrictions on the entry of new firms. Third, no close substitutes. In monopoly, the product is unique and has no close substitutes. No close substitutes. In monopoly, the product is unique and has no close substitutes. If there is some, then it is not a monopoly firm. there is no substitute for railways. No other service can be provided of this magnitude at a price they are providing. Okay. Fourth, price control. Here a single producer controls the market. Here a single producer controls the product, controls the market. Okay. He fixes the price of the product at his own will. A monopolist is a price maker and not a price taker. Okay. A monopolist is a price maker and not a price taker. Fifth, pure monopoly is also an industry. Pure monopoly. Only one farm is a producer in monopoly, so there is no difference between farm and industry. Only one farm is a producer in monopoly, so there is no difference between farm and industry. Okay. 6, price discrimination. Price discrimination. Many times monopolist charges different prices from different customers. Okay. Different prices from different customers. First, it is called price discrimination. It is a process of charging different prices for same commodity at different places. It can be due to geographic situation or personal concept of the farm. Okay. See this diagram. OX axis shows the output, OY revenue. This is the average revenue curve. This is the marginal revenue curve. Marginal revenue is always below average revenue. It is not like perfect competition. Okay. It is not like perfect competition. These curves are relatively less elastic and compared to monopolistic competition. So this is a very small concept about monopoly and features of monopoly. Thanks for watching.